Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to delete Epic Games Launcher on PC Windows 11. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To uninstall the Epic Games Launcher on a PC running Windows 11, you can follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Start button or press the Windows key. Select the Settings gear icon. It looks like a gear. Step 2. In the Settings window, click on Apps from the list on the left. Step 3. Scroll down the list of installed apps to find Epic Games Launcher. Step 4. Click on the Epic Games Launcher to select it. Click on the uninstall button that appears. Step 5. A confirmation dialog will appear. Confirm that you want to uninstall the Epic Games Launcher. Step 6. Follow any additional on-screen instructions that may appear to complete the uninstallation process. Step 7. It's a good practice to restart your computer after installing software to ensure that all changes take effect. The Epic Games Launcher should now be uninstalled from your Windows 11 PC. If you have any games installed through the launcher, uninstalling the launcher itself won't remove the games. You can choose to keep or uninstall the games separately by following the methods before. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.